This video introduces the Great River PWM-501 compressor. PWM stands for Pulse Width Modulation, which is a type of gain control that is entirely analog, but operates in the time domain by turning the signal on and off very quickly. This fast switching controls the signal power and allows the compressor to be very fast and transparent. The PWM-501 is the first pulse width modulation type compressor to be offered in a 500 series format. Looking at the front panel, most of the controls are familiar and need little explanation. Gain reduction, output levels, and input levels can be displayed on the 16-segment LED display. It should be noted that when in gain reduction meter mode, the amount of gain reduction will still display even when the unit is in bypass. Bypass is a hardwire type, so the signal is routed directly from input to output when engaged. Note that bypass is engaged when the switch button is depressed. Towards the bottom right of the unit, there are two knobs that are unique to the PWM-501. The feed-forward feedback control allows the user to select where the sidechain audio is fed from. You can select 100% feed-forward, 100% feedback, or blend any combination in between with the rotary knob. Feed-forward takes the sidechain audio from the input. This is typical of a VCA-style compressor, like most DBX units. Feed-forward is very fast and punchy. Feedback takes the sidechain audio from the output of the compressor. This is typical of older compressors like the 1176 and LA2A. Feedback is slower and softer sounding than feed-forward. The great thing about this control is it's variable. You can set it to a 50% blend if you wish, allowing the user to fine-tune a track. The high-pass filter found below is also variable. It cuts low frequencies out of the sidechain audio. Bass frequencies contain the most energy and can trigger the compressor more than higher frequencies in a track or mix. This is one of the most common causes of pumping in a compressor. The bass triggers the gain reduction, and the result is the whole section of audio is pulled down in relation. By setting the high-pass filter to the desired cutoff, you can have the compressor ignore bass-heavy notes and have the track sound fuller while taming the upper mid-range and high-frequency content where the ear is more sensitive. In the upcoming sections, some basic drum, acoustic guitar, and mandolin tracks were recorded to demonstrate the compressor and some suggested settings. Each audio section is the same and repeated to make the comparisons easier. Subtitles will appear to show what mode the compressor is in during the tests.